Hello, my name is Dora Smith. I'm Dora the Lake Explorer. I'm a realtor here at Lake Gaston. I serve Lake Gaston, Carr Lake, Roanoke Rapids Lake, and the entire area, the whole market area. I've been a realtor for about 15 years. I'm currently with Next Home First Choice Realty in Bracy, Virginia at Lake Gaston. My husband and I are builders locally. We've been building houses in and around the area here for about 20 years. Actually 25 years. We started in 1999. So if you need an experienced and knowledgeable realtor, also holding a general contractor license, I would love to meet and work with you in your next home real estate projects. So I hold several designations and certifications. I take my education seriously. You can click in the link below and find out a little bit more information about me. But I live here at the lake. I've been here 25 years. I know the lakes, and I would love to work with you. Building houses and selling houses in and around the area for that length of time does give me quite an extensive knowledge of the lake area. So I'd love to work with you if you need a realtor. Again, it's Dora the Lake Explorer. Have a great day. Thank you.